In this video, we will see what is named range and how and when we can use this. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let us start. Named range in Microsoft Excel is a name given to a cell or range of cells. By using the named ranges, we can make formula easier to understand. I have prepared an example where I have months of the year and corresponding sales in each month. Our objective here is to find month with minimum, maximum and average sales of the month. First, let us see these three in conventional manner so that we can see the difference between conventional method and named range method. In cell E4, type equal to max open bracket B2 colon B13 close bracket and hit enter. Copy the formula of cell E4 from the formula bar and paste it in cell E5 and just replace max with min in the formula. Similarly, copy the formula of cell E5 from the formula bar and paste it in cell E6 and replace min with average in the formula. So now we have minimum, maximum and average sales in conventional manner. Now let us see how we can simplify these formulas by using the named range. To use the named range, first we need to define it, which can be done by clicking Define Name in Formula ribbon. You will get a window popped up. Type the name of the range. In my case, I will use sales as my range name. In scope, select workbook if you want to use this name range for entire workbook. For this example, I will use sheet 1 as I want this to be used only in this sheet. In refers to, click on the small up arrow button and select the range from B2 till cell B13 and hit enter and click OK. Our name is defined for range of cells. Now we will see how easy it is to use this. Now in cell E9, type equal to max open bracket sales close bracket and hit enter. Similarly, this defined name can be used in min and average. Just copy the cell E9 and paste it in the cell E10 and replace max with min and copy cell E10 and paste it in the cell E11 and replace min with average and we are done. Isn't using named range pretty easy and useful? Instead of using B2 is to B13 and remembering it throughout the sheet, just give it a name and use it. Name range not only makes things convenient in using but also makes our formula more clean to understand when we refer afterwards. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Doesn't matter whether you like, share, subscribe or not, but what matters is that you keep learning.